In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map Zoho Books to Zoho One. This process is essential for integrating your business applications and ensuring seamless communication across platforms, which ultimately enhances your workflow efficiency. Let's get started with the first step. Head over to the Home section of your Zoho One account. The home page is your central hub. It's where you start your journey to customize your settings and manage your applications. When you're at the home page, look for the tab labeled Settings. Clicking on this will give you access to various options that allow you to configure your Zoho One suite to best suit the needs of your team and business. Next, we'll dive into the Applications section. This is where all of your current applications live, and it's also the place where you can manage them. Finding the Applications tab within your settings is crucial because you need it to add Zoho Books to your current suite. Now, let's add Zoho Books to your applications. You do this by selecting Add Application. This step might sound straightforward, but it's a key action to integrating Zoho Books with the entire Zoho One platform. Adding new applications allows you to expand your suite and customize your workspace according to your specific needs. Once you've clicked Add Application, a search bar will become your new best friend. Enter Books in this search bar. This action ensures that Zoho Books is identified among the myriad of applications available to you. Just type in Books and you should see Zoho Books pop right up, ready for you to add. Afterwards, with Zoho Books selected, the next straightforward step is to click Add. Clicking this is what will officially integrate Zoho Books into your application suite. It's the pivotal moment where Zoho begins to unify its services under your account, ready to enhance your productivity. Finally, you'll encounter a confirmation dialog box. It might just say OK, but clicking OK confirms your addition of Zoho Books to Zoho One. This simple click is the last step in your integration process. And there you have it, a clear, structured way to map Zoho Books to Zoho One. Following these steps ensures a smooth integration, allowing all your business data to synchronize seamlessly. With Zoho Books now part of your application suite, you can enjoy better coordination and improved workflow processes throughout your business operations. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your software tools.